Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Facebook remains one of the most powerful platforms for advertising, with billions of active users engaging with posts, videos, and ads every single day. For businesses that want to showcase multiple products, highlight different features of a service, or tell a story in a visually engaging way, Facebook carousel ads are one of the best formats available. In this video, we'll go step by step through the process of creating a Facebook carousel ad. You'll also learn best practices, optimization strategies, and a few insider tips to make sure your ad not only looks professional, but also drives clicks, conversions, and revenue. Now, before diving into the setup, it's important to understand what makes this format unique. So, you can include up to 10 different cards, each with its own image or video. So, this allows you to display multiple products in a single ad campaign. So, each card can be linked to a different landing page, making it easier to drive traffic directly to the right product or service page. So users can swipe or click through the cards, which increases engagement compared to a static single image ad. And instead of running multiple separate ads, you can combine several offers into one carousel, saving time and ad spend. So businesses often use carousel ads to display a product catalog like shoes, clothing, gadgets, food, etc., showcase different features of one product, tell a step-by-step brand story, highlight testimonials, or case studies. Now to start, access Ads Manager. So go to Meta Business Suite, previously known as Facebook Business Manager. From the left-hand menu, click All Tools. Then under Advertise, select Ads Manager. Now, Ads Manager is your central hub for creating, editing, and analyzing ads. So if you already have campaigns running, you'll see them listed here. So let's create a campaign. Click on Create, the green button. Pop-up will appear asking you to select a campaign objective. For carousel ads that are designed to drive actions, choose conversions. Click Continue, then give your campaign a descriptive name. So this helps you stay organized later, especially if you're running multiple campaigns. So let's set up your ad set. So each campaign can include one or more ad sets where you define who will see your ad and how much you'll spend. So name your ad set something descriptive. For a conversion event, from the drop down, choose view content or another relevant event, like add to cart or purchase. For the budget, decide between a daily budget, spending a set amount each day, or a lifetime budget, spending evenly across the campaign duration. Now, for the schedule, set the start date and optionally the end date. So, running ads indefinitely works for always on campaigns, while limited offers might need a strict end date. Next is to set your audience. So, targeting is one of the most powerful features of Facebook ads. You can create a new audience, so define demographics like age, gender, interest, locations. Use saved audiences, so reuse targeting settings from previous campaigns. Custom audiences, upload customer list, retarget website visitors, or reach people who engage with your Facebook or Instagram pages. Next is lookalike audiences. Expand reach by finding people similar to your best customers. So a well-defined audience ensures your carousel reaches the right people. Next is to choose placements. So placements determine where your ad will appear. You can allow automatic placements, Facebook decides for you, or choose manually. So it includes Facebook feed, Instagram feed, stories and reels, marketplace, video feeds, right column. So for carousel ads, the Facebook feed and Instagram feed tend to perform best, but stories can also be effective if you design vertical creative. Now comes the fun part, designing the carousel itself. For the ad identity, select your Facebook page and Instagram account if it's linked. Ad setup, so under format, choose carousel. For the media, upload high quality images or videos for each card. Facebook recommends at least 1080 to 1080 pixels for images, and also avoid uploading low resolution files as they appear blurry and reduce engagement. So add headlines and descriptions. Each card can have its own headline, optional description, and unique URL link. So this is especially useful for e-commerce brands promoting multiple products. Now add primary text. This is for the main body of the ad shown above the carousel. Keep it engaging and focus on benefits, not just features. Next is call to action. So at the bottom, select a today button. So you have here learn more, shop now, or sign up. For product ads, shop now works best. So while services might benefit from learn more. So next is to preview your ad. So before publishing, use the preview function to see how your ad will look across placements. So you can toggle between desktop, mobile, and Instagram views. This is crucial because ads often look different depending on the placement. So just a tip, always double check that the URLs are correct and that each card directs to the right landing page. So once satisfied, let's click on publish. So your ad will go through a short review process by Facebook before going live. But your work doesn't stop here. So monitor performance inside Ads Manager, track metrics such as CDR, CPC or cost per click, conversions like purchases, signups, etc., return on ad spend, so ROAS. Facebook carousel ads are an excellent way to present multiple offers in one interactive ad unit. So when done right, they grab attention, drive clicks, and increase conversions more effectively than static ads. By carefully setting up your campaign, designing eye-catching creative, targeting the right audience, and monitoring performance, you can turn your carousel ads into one of your most reliable growth strategies. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time.
Introducing Engagi. Grow from invisible to unstoppable. Explode your social media reach and generate more business online with the ultimate AI cheat code. Breakthrough AI-powered Chrome extension for Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and the rest. Dominate any niche on the social media with superior AI-driven engagement. This is what consistent engagement got us on X and LinkedIn. Again, designed for use on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Threads, and it's compatible with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, Discord, Quora, Tumblr. One-click engagement on any social website. Power your growth with Engagi. Get increased visibility for your content. Engagi helps you to tap into the algo. The algorithm favors those who engage. Engagi builds your subscriber base, build a community that helps you thrive. Engagi creates a powerful network. Create authentic engagement with just one click. Promote your products and services organically. Auto-create custom and unique replies that are tailored to the post. Engage in any language. Multi-AI maximize originality and uniqueness. Engagi keeps your account safe. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Engagi now. Just go to getengagi.in.